In this video, we're making this delicious cardamom or elaichi cake that is perfect to enjoy with chai. These are all the ingredients you're going to need and they're pretty simple, so let's get started. First, grease and line an 8x4 inch or a 6-inch round pan and set that aside. Then to your flour, you're going to add in the baking powder and the cardamom powder and mix that in. Then in another bowl, take the butter and the sugar and beat those for 2 to 3 minutes till light and fluffy. Then add in the eggs one at a time and beat them in. With the last egg, add in the vanilla extract and mix that in as well. Then add in the milk and beat that in for a minute as well. Then add in the flour mixture to this wet mixture and you're going to fold it in using a spatula. Make sure not to overmix, just mix in the flour gently until the flour is incorporated in the batter and you do not see any dry flour. And then you're going to pour this batter into your prepared pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. You do not want to overbake it, so keep an eye on the cake. Here you can see that the toothpick inserted comes out with few crumbs, but there is no wet batter and that's completely fine. And then cool the cake for a bit and then you can get it out of the pan. And then cut it into slices and serve it. This cake goes so well with chai or even coffee and it's a perfect treat to have on a rainy afternoon. As you can see, it's so light and fluffy and absolutely delicious. And it's also quite rich and melts in the mouth. As usual, I took a bite to show you the center of the cake and it was so heavenly. I really do hope you try this out and let me know how it turns out. I will see you soon with some more recipes. Bye!